Good morning, you guys. Today is day 3 of trading my strategy. I've already traded. This is going to be like a beginning intro to the video. This is kind of different, kind of new, you know. We did take some L's today. That is a part of the whole game. It was quite embarrassing editing this video, but you have to get used to your strategy. You have to see the mistakes. Luckily, I have a community where I can ask questions, and apparently where I went wrong today was I didn't look at the higher time frame as much as I should have. I only looked at the time frame, the higher time frame, to mark out liquidity, but I'm supposed to see if we're in like today we were in a 4-hour fair value gap on NAS. I'm trying to sell, but we're in a bullish fair value gap on the 4-hour. And also we had something called an inverse fair value gap on the 15-minute. Apparently, I have to pay attention to things like that. Every time you make a mistake, go back, see what happened, where you went wrong. That way, you'll get used to your strategy much faster. Here is the footage. Hope y'all can learn something from me. You know, a new strategy comes new problems, new mistakes, but it can be exciting. Thank y'all for watching. Stay tuned. This is the result of news. It just was right here and then it just shot up. Took this liquidity, took these highs again. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wait for it to make a fair value gap right here. I need to see it re-enter, and then I'm gonna continue up. Since this started to go down, I think it's trying to take a break from going up so far. It gave a little downward motion, and then now I think I'm going to go in for buys. Man, if it could retrace down, I'd be way more confident. That's what I'm thinking. Stop 122, so just go for a 1.
Order filled.
Going for it, guys. If it lose, it lose, you know. 180, 64.
Order filled.
Okay. How embarrassing. Well, I lost more than I wanted to. Should I go for sales? I think I'm gonna go for sales. I don't know. I'm gonna wait, man. I don't know. I'm confused. I'm gonna just say it. This'll be my second trade of the day. Nah, can't do it. Looks good though. Sell 2. I'm sell 1. When it start retracing, I'll do a sale. It took all this liquidity though.
Order filled.
Boom. Look at that right there, gosh. Now who can have emotions when that's going on?
Order filled.
Oh well. Let me just close the computer. Thank y'all for watching.